Now, if you need to zoom in and zoom out, you can use the magnifying glass here and just click to zoom in, or press Alt and click to zoom out. But what I usually do is just press Z or Z, and that does the same as just clicking there. Okay, now let's get rid of the lumpy lines. So I'm wanting to use the eraser now, which is the eraser tool. There we go. So it just works like a brush, but it's just getting rid of things. So you press B for brush, and similarly you press E for erase. We'll just get rid of this dude here as well. And I'm on a roll, so I'm just going to get rid of that one as well. Okay. Now this poor dude's just lonely. But that's okay, we'll give him some friends. Let us create a new layer again. So that's Control-Shift-N, Enter. So what I'm going to do here is just talk about how layers work in Photoshop. So let's go here, change the color. Let's change it to blue. Enter. Now we can draw over the black line with a blue line on a separate layer. So if we click on the eye here, that will hide layer 2. So the blue line is on layer 2, the black line is on layer 1. So if you look at opacity here, this will adjust the opacity levels of your layer. So now let's say I want to work a little bit higher up, but I can't reach it on the canvas. So what I do is I hold down space, which gives us this little hand here. You click down and you can drag. And that just moves the canvas around. It's not adjusting the artwork in any way. If you want to actually move things on the artwork, you press V and click and drag, and then that can move the layer around. So space is to move the canvas, V is to move the layer. Okay, let's do a new layer again. And let's draw a big orangey red dot. Now there's something here called lock. So if you click that and change the color, it will only allow you to draw inside the pixels in that particular layer. So if I'm drawing outside of the orange circle, nothing happens. If I get rid of lock, then I can draw outside of it. Now I'm going to lock it again, and I'm going to pick the orange color. And to do this, just press Alt. It gives you the eyedropper tool, and click on whatever color you want to pick, and then draw. So instead of having to go here and look at every color, you can just see the color you like, go over there, pick it with the eyedropper, and start drawing. And finally, I'll just talk about layer order. All these layers in the layer window can be moved up and down. So let's say we want to move layer 2 behind layer 1. So we just drag it below layer 1 here, and now layer 2 is behind layer 1. So that's all the tips and tricks we need to get started. I will show you some more tricks as we go along, but these are the main shortcuts and tools that I recommend you get your head around to make the most out of illustrating in Photoshop.